And we start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim. And big topic is the same, listen to Lashon Hara. Avoid the gossipmonger. There are unfortunately people who forever gossip, perhaps as a result of their inactivity and the need for social involvement, right? Empty people, right? They need to talk. Unless one honestly feels that he can help such a person to mend his ways, he should avoid his company entirely. If contact with such a person is unavoidable, it should be minimized to whatever degree is possible. So first of all, it's a very, very practical advice. So if you know that you might help this person, he's going to listen to you. For whatever reason, you're close to him, you're related to that person, okay. He or she is going to listen, okay, yeah. Talk to that person, try to change it. But if not, try to avoid it. If you cannot avoid it, okay, possible. Try to minimize the conversation. Let's say it's a co-worker. It's not so easy to avoid the co-worker, right? So try to minimize your conversations. One must also avoid settings that are prone to discuss the gossip. Ideally, one should find a way to permanently change the nature of a conversation at such a setting, so that the present will be spared from evil of rehealers. So if it's possible for you to change the topic of the conversation, that it would be ideal, right? Okay. So.